After you have set up an account in thinkboozon.com, this page will appear. The different ways you can download the software. If you're a Mac user, you download it from here. There are also video tutorials, and there's the iMindMap online. Okay, download iMindMap. So I'm gonna choose Windows. There's also a Mac, and there's the Linux. And now it's nearly completed. And remember, this is only a 7-day trial. If you want the complete package, you have to purchase one. Okay. Press run. English. If you want the full package, you have to buy either the Pro or the basic one, but this is only the 7-day free trial that has all the options, and if you like it, you can purchase it. After that download, this will appear, and then you go next, choose the where you want to locate it, next, and then install. So now we're opening iMindMap 5, which is the latest version. You'll have to agree with the terms. Here's the steps. Go next. If you have an account, you can go iMindMap online, so and then finish. So now the software is ready. You can try it, have fun with it. It's pretty slow in my computer. And now you have it on your computer. Enjoy.